Hi guys, nandito tayo sa airport. Ayan. So, we're going to Boracay.
Pero meron akong biscuit.
Ba't sumisimangot ka? Ilalagay kita sa vlog. Ayan, nag-a-apps. Hi guys, on board na kami guys. Dito sa puntang Boracay. See you there guys. Ayan, papunta na kami ng airplane. Ayan guys, nasa airplane na tayo. Bound to Boracay. So, unti-unti na pong sumasakay.
Other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
Ayun guys, nasa Boracay na po tayo guys. Ayan. Ato sinaklong. So, mainit guys. Kaya nakapayong kami.
Dagat pala yun.
Opo.
Parang walang galaw.
So yung guys, pupunta na tayo sa Boracay Island. Dito tayo sa Katiklan. Ayan guys, nasa lancha na po tayo. Punta na tayong Boracay Island guys. Dito na tayo sa lancha guys. Papunta island ng Boracay. Ayan. Medyo maalon-alon guys ngayon. Ayan guys, nakarating na kami sa hotel. Ayan. Tapos lang namin kumain guys. So ito na yung hotel with swimming pool. Then sa bandang labas, yun na yung ating Boracay Island. Yung beach. Ayan guys, nakalabas na tayo ngayon hapon. So 4 PM na guys, pero mainit pa siya. Ayan ang view ng ating Boracay. Medyo mainit guys. Ayan guys, sina-enjoy ngayon natin ang beach dito sa Boracay Island. Ayan, ang ganda guys. So mga 4:30 na po ng hapon guys. At nakakita kami dito ng 7-Eleven. Ayan guys.